We've got a lot more in store for you. See what we have in store. And we just said that.
We did.
We had a lot in store.
We have a lot in store.
We go to the store.
It's not a store, but we're doing that for you.
Yeah,
You don't have to go to the store.
No, we'll do that.
Why would you go to the store?
I don't know.
Just leave that to us. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
We have a really fun holiday craft today.
Yes, we're crafting with box 122.
These are so cute.
Some hoops. We're going to be working with some great upcycled, high quality upholstery fabric.
Yeah, so we've got, definitely have a variety of textures. Not much pattern for this one. We're just sticking with texture and you'll find out why.
Reds and greens.
Reds and greens.
It's kind of like a grab bag when you get your box. You don't know exactly which fabric you're going to get, but it's all going to look great.
They're beautiful.
You're going to enjoy this one.
So.
And we're working with HTV today instead of the normal vinyl. We're not painting. A little variety there on our channel. If you want to grab this box and start crafting with us, you can look down in the description box below where you can find the links to get it.
And you can subscribe there too if you saw that button. It's there, I mean, it's there.
That would be awesome. Well, let's not take up any more of your time. Let's get crafting. Come on.
Let's go.
Make sure that when you're putting it on, make sure when you're placing this on your fabric, there's a little tacky side. That's the side that has. Make sure shiny side goes up. bit of glue around the inside edge at a time. And then just slowly slow my roll.
We're on a slow roll.
And pull it tight. Let's not cut the fabric because I think we're going to be able to use that to make it look nice on the back.
Correct. Just gathered.
Yes, then we've got these little pieces flying out. So I'm just going to kind of pick spots to glue them down. We're just the same. We're so alike. What happened? A lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. These are sharp.
And cute.
They're cute.
Yeah.
They're very cute.
This is a really quick, fun little craft to do, and I think they're gorgeous. They are gonna look great on the tree.
They are. They are.
They are. Yeah, they are. This is our first adventure with the HTV, and don't feel like you need one of those fancy iron, whatever they're called. I don't even know the name. Now that doesn't mean it's not on my Christmas wish list.
Of course not. You could always use one. I mean, if you got it, you would use it.
Right, exactly. The brand that we actually bought for this though, it works really easily with the iron. These are small little projects, so
Yeah.
if you've ever wanted to try this out, then small little project like this is perfect.
Agreed. I may just be doing a few more of these.
I know, I think so. We need more of these on the tree.
All right, well, we hope you guys enjoyed crafting with us.
Yes, we'll see you next time.
Till next time.